Okay, the next thing you're going to be doing on this lesson is a card sort. And just in case you've never done a card sort in Desmos, I wanted to go over it, how to do it. It's basically just dragging tiles around to get the cards in the right group. Okay, it doesn't matter the order that you get the cards of a group together, but just so you get them all grouped together. So let's just do one set from the lesson that I'm going to have you do. First of all, before we do it, I wanted you to understand that when you multiply two numbers, okay, if they have the same sign, the answer is going to be positive. Okay, I was hoping you would start to see that. If you have a positive times a positive, the answer is positive. And if you have a negative times a negative, the answer will be positive. Okay, so if you have two numbers but the same sign, the answer will always be positive. If you have two numbers multiplied together with a different sign, the answer will always be negative. So let's just work through a problem, a set. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start moving things around. To move things around, you could, okay, I'm looking at my 2 times 6 here, I could just put my right finger down on the mouse pad and move my right finger. Okay, that's hard for me to do. So what I'm going to do when I move things around, just to get more control, I'm going to put my left finger on the mouse pad when I'm over the object that I want to move. And I'm going to keep it pressed down with my left finger. Then I'm going to take my right finger, as it's still pressed down, and move it with that. I just have a lot more control if I do it that way. Okay, so I put my, if it gets real big, just click the X. So I'm going to click the -20. I'm going to be over the -20. I'm going to take my left finger and push down. Then I'm going to take my right finger and move it. Okay, let's just do one set together now. I'm going to take my answer of 20 and just work with that. I'm going to go over the 20, put my left finger down on the mouse pad, and then move with my right finger the 20. Okay, I want to get every multiplication problem that will give me an answer of positive 20. Okay, let's look for positive numbers first because that's the easiest. Here's 2 times 10. Okay, to drag that over, I'm going to use my left finger to press, right finger to move. But you'll notice when you get it exactly connected, see how it turns kind of blue? Let go, because that means it's going to connect for you. Okay, 2 times 10 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to move that over. Left finger down. Right finger move. Drag. When it starts to turn blue, see? Let go. Okay, there's 2 more problems in here that are going to give me a positive 20. Okay, when the numbers have the same signs, if there's 2 of them, if the 2 numbers have the same sign, like a positive times a positive, it will be a positive answer. And if it's a negative times a negative, it will be a positive answer. Okay, so I need to look for a -2 times a -10. Let's go over here. A negative times a negative is also a positive. See how it turns blue? Let go. And we also should have a -4 times a -5 somewhere right there. Press down with the left finger, right finger, drag. Turns blue. Okay, see how they're all together. Okay, so you're going to have 4 groups of 5 cards that you want to group up together. And just remember, if you're multiplying 2 numbers, if the signs are the same, it equals a positive, like all of these. If the 2 numbers have a different sign, the answer will end up being negative. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions on this.